Look at this. It's underglow. Yep, under freaking glow. Let's go. I cannot wait to put them on. I did watch a few videos on it and I think it's gonna be a little hard to install, but I don't know. Well, maybe it's easier. Who knows? I don't know. I've never done it before. Hola. ¿Qué me llegó?
I don't know. Tus audífonos.
What the? Woo. Guys, my package is here. I'm about to open it up and I'll show you guys how it looks. Whoa. What do we got here? Look at this. Alright, I see you. I cannot wait to install them. They look a little small. I mean, it looks a little small. I think it's bigger, but I don't know. We'll see how it actually looks. I love LED lights, as you guys can tell. So this is gonna be amazing. Hey, it's Fat Albert back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to be adding some underglow under Nelson. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time ever, and you know, I was like, hey, why not do it right now? So I ordered these LED strips from Amazon and they came in the other day and I'm like, oh damn, look at this, guys. Oh shit, you're about to hit. Oh my god, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. Whoa. Cool. Look at this fitment, yo. Look at this fitment. Damn. So I got shot with the BB gun in the middle of my forehead. It's a pepperoni for pizza.
Did you guys know that one teaspoon of sugar paralyzes your defense system for 5 hours? Immune system.
Wait, you said what? Oh. I just downloaded the app. I don't know. I need to look for the one that I got though. Try to guess what color the lights are right now. Go. Yeah, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you guess red, then you right. Look at this. Okay, so this is the app. Let's do blue. Let's do blue. Oh, okay. I want to do purple now. Purple. Oh. Okay, let's do green. Okay, so we lined it up already. Got the LEDs lined up. Here they are. This is the front. This is the side. Pretty simple. We're gonna put the front right here on that bash bar thing. We're gonna put it underneath the bash bar. And then the other one over here. And let's get it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car. I'm gonna skip the whole process because I know it's gonna be boring as hell for you guys. So let's get it. Once it's done, I'll show you guys. Let's go. I'm gonna do you guys a favor. Whoa, look at this. Dang, that came out pretty good. So, I'm gonna give you a quick little update. All right. Ooh, look at that sheet. What colors do you guys want? What color do you guys want? I have here, oh my god, you guys can barely see, but what color do you want? Do you want maybe like a dark purple? Or blue, I mean? Okay, I see you. Let's do a red. Dang, I don't know if I really like the red like this. I mean, maybe I have to wait for my fender to be back on. My favorite personally is the purple. What about you guys? Which one do you guys like? I try to have it gold, or not gold, but yellow, so it can match the wheels, you know, but like it's not that gold look. See, it's more like I don't know, it looks kind of green on camera. It's not green though, it's just my floor is blue, so maybe like yellow plus blue equals green, so that's why it looks like that. Because this is green right here, like I'll show you green. That's green. Yeah, what do you guys think? What color would you guys have on? My favorite is the purple. Definitely purple, definitely. I'm just doing the wiring because they gave us a lot of extra wire, which is good enough, but we're gonna need a lot. Oh my god. But we are gonna need a lot of cable management. Pop that shoulder. Pop that shoulder. Oh, my arm. Woo! After hours of installing the freaking lights, you know, we need a freaking break around here, guys. We need a break. Look at you guys. Oh my god, you guys can even see the lights in the back. It looks so cool. I have them purple right now. I don't want to show you guys anymore because I do want it to be a surprise, so you guys can watch at the end of the video. I have a cool little clip for you guys to watch, and I'm like starving. I'm starving, okay? I'm literally about to eat the LED lights if I don't go eat right now. So we're gonna go to Applebee's and you know, fill up our little tummy because we are starving around here. That freaking bird keeps chirping, guys. I told you guys, he's only loud at night. Well, like even louder at night. Look at. Shut up, Carol. Oh my god. She doesn't want you. So I actually looked it up online. I looked it up on Google and I put bird chirping at night, right? And then what came up was that if a bird chirps loud, is because he's trying to get the attention of a female bird. And he's trying to get Carol's attention over there. It's not working. It's been months. It's literally been months. Huh, guys? It is 2 a.m. in the freaking morning, and we're still not done because we took a lunch break. We got a 2-hour lunch break. It's okay. This was supposed to be like a 2-hour job, and it came out to be like a freaking 5-hour job. But it's okay because we're having fun. At first, nah, I'm lying. I was gonna say I kind of felt like I was a little scared that it was gonna look a little rice, you know. But honestly, I love it, and that's what makes me happy, you know. Just a little spark of rice. You guys, I am tired as hell already. It is late as hell. The reason why I have my hand on my face is because I have a big ass pimple in the middle of my eyebrows. So please ignore it. Look at it. Oh, it looks gross. Alright, so if you guys are wondering why the hell are you using this freaking cutting tool for the lights, it's because my freaking Nelson always scrapes on the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see, but this bottom here and like, oh my god, and here and stuff. So like I always freaking scrape. So if the line here for my LED strip was right here, then boom, it'll freaking smash it and it'll cut it and it just will stop working, you know? So what we decided to do is cut a slit through it. It's right here. So that way, when I do scrape, because I'm for sure gonna scrape, it doesn't rip the wire. See, it's gonna be like kind of hidden in there. I'll show you guys right now, but that's how it looks, guys. That's basically what we're doing because we don't want it to rip. My poor iPhone. Oh my god. I'm honestly a big fan of LED. Hold up, that shit burned. I am ready to be called a freaking rice bean. I freaking love this, and if this makes me happy or if this makes you happy, you know, when you do this to a certain thing to your car, then it shouldn't matter what anybody thinks, you know, as long as you're happy. And I'm freaking happy as fuck with this light. Yeah, that's all I can say, man. Yeah, it looks even beautiful when it's driving at night. I freaking had to take it out to back it back in here. Well, not to back it in here, but to bring it in here, and boo, boy, it was so sick. If you guys can see it in person, like, I feel like you guys would like it a little bit more than just in video. All right, so you guys see that little slat there? That's where we put the little wire so it doesn't scrape. See what we did there? I gotta think outside the box. You guys see all these marks right here? Like, all those freaking marks are because my car has scraped. So imagine that little wire, that little plastic wire right there. Oh, break it right away. Not worth it, guys, not worth it. Just cut through the car, just cut it. Just do it. All right, so we finished installing the LED lights and we decided to do a little clip for you guys so you guys can see how it actually looks at night. It's a little dark, but you know, we tried. I tried. I hope you guys enjoy and take a look. Tell me what you guys think. Let's go. Before I end off this video, I do want to tell you guys a couple of things. First one is thank you guys so much for 14,000 subscribers. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for showing support, dropping comments, and doing the emoji of the day. You guys can drop any party emojis because I'm so freaking thankful for 14,000 subscribers. It's just amazing. I also want to give a post notification shout out to Diego. Thank you so much for having the notifications on. And if you guys want a shout out at the end of my video, then you guys know what to do. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Look at that, oh yeah.